Today we are going to solve 10 days SQL challenge episode part 10. It's a file and challenge. You can find all the previous videos in the description. Okay. So, and do let me know if you have any questions and from the last playlist, and comment down the which topic you want to discuss in this particular series. So let's see the challenge. Write a SQL query to find the top 10 client with the highest number of churn traits. For each this client, the query should provide the details such as the sales representative involved, total face value, total actual revenue, and the percentage by the rev which the actual revenue is down from the face value. Now calculate the each sales representative which the result should be stored in descending order based on the percentage down from the revenue, and the only top 10 results should be displayed. The percentage down revenue is calculated as the formula is given. So if you look at the table, I have a sales rep table, I have a trader table, I have a client table. So with those three representative table, let me explain you the question in the brief. We have to find out the top 10 clients with the highest number of churn trades. So what do you mean by the churn trade? So you can say that churn means that where the client has decided to end their relationship or service with the company, resulting the trade being marked as no longer active or relevant. So let's solve this challenge in MySQL workbench. First, we have to find out the most churned client. So how did you achieve that? So if you look at the traits table, I have a churn date. That means that this client is have churned from this particular date. So we have to count the dates in this particular columns. There are empty cell as well. So go back to query sheets. So I can just start from select from traits. I want client ID and then count asterisk from as churn count for where where churn date is not equal to comma. So it will only calculate where that date is there. So group by by client, order by churn count in descending order. So since we are interested in top 10, so I'm going to use limit 10 to check the result. So if you see that the client ID this 383 got churn 7 times. Come to the second part of the question is that you have to find out the each sales representative, their total face value and their total actual revenue, and the percentage down. The formula is here to find out the percentage down. So we are going to use this query into our query. So I will convert this query into CTE with most churned client as this is my CTE query. And then we can use select from traits T join. This is my CTE join. And then we will alias as on the basis of common column, which is going to the T dot client ID equal to MCC dot client ID. Similarly, we are going to join the sales rep table and client table as well. Now, once you join the two tables, so we want the client name, so I can just write C dot client. I want the now once you have joined the two tables, so we are Now, once you've joined the two tables, so we want the client name. So I can just start with the clients. So C dot name, and then give as alias client name. Now, once you have joined the two tables, so we want the client name. So I can just write C dot name as client name, and then we want the name of sales representative. So I have a T dot full name as sales rep name. Now we want to find out the total face value. So to find out the total face value, I can just use the sum function, sum T dot face value as total face value, comma. Again, I can use some function to find out the actual revenue. So T dot actual revenue as my actual revenue. Now, once you have find out the two things, now you have to find out the percentage down, which is the formula is given. So I can just simply copy the formula. So to find out it, so I can just copy it from here. Some face value, paste here, minus the actual value, copy here, paste here, and then I can use a close bracket divided by the face value here. And to get that in percentage, I can just use into 100 as percentage down. Now, once you got this, so I can just write from churn rate. So it should be where churn rate should not equal to T and group Y by 1 comma 2 between the client name and the sales rep. So order by a percentage down. As the question say, we want in descending order and we want the top 10. So I can use a limited name. Yeah. So once you've got this, so you can see that I got the table data with the top 10 with their percentage down, actual revenue, and their total face value. So I hope you like the video. Follow for more.